June 18th, 2021, and we're in Greenfield, Indiana, and we're having a severe storm, so I thought I'd record it. This is a wicked storm. This is not actually the smartest thing to do because I'm standing under a metal roof. That's our porch roof. So yeah, this is not the safest thing to do. But I thought I'd get a little footage of the storm. So probably the chances of lightning hitting this exact spot are probably about 1,000,000 to 1. It's still kind of pressing my luck though. I've already cheated death in a storm once. I had lightning hit the house when I was about to plug in a light, and I had a bolt of lightning go right by me. It shot past me. That was when I was younger. But yeah. Guess I'm gonna press my luck yet again. Either those raindrops are really big, or that's hail. Yeah, that's hail. Oh, my poor roof. Gee. These are the kind of storms where it really sucks being a homeowner, because if it tears your roof up.